Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you the IoT based home automation system kit. Basically, this kit is providing us the idea of how we can smart our homes and control our whole home appliances through our mobile phones. And we also have an automatic security system here. We have different sensors here to detect the present temperature, humidity, smoke and natural gas and also a motion for safety purpose. Now let's move towards the overview of the kit. First of all, we have a power option here. From here we can apply AC power to energize the kit. Before energizing the kit, we need to care about the phase and the neutral. On the left side, we have a phase and on the right side, we have neutral. After energizing it, it takes 4 to 5 minutes to become stable. After 5 minutes, all devices and sensors connect themselves to the internet, and now we are all set to control it from our mobile phone applications and also from our voice through Alexa. We basically have two options to control our home appliances. Number one through internet and number two without internet. Number one, through internet we have further two options to control our home appliances. Number one, mobile application control. Number two, voice control means Alexa. Now moving towards without internet control, we have further two options. Number one, manually through switches and number two, through RFA mode. Now, so basically in this kit, we have different loads such as kitchen light, room light, bathroom light and lounge light. We also have a water valve and gas valve in order to control the flow of both water and gas. We have a door lock here to lock or unlock the door. And now here we have different sensors. First of all, here on top right side, we have a motion sensor. We can see a red button here. After pushing this button, motion sensor starts sensing motion. And when we push this button again, it stops sensing. We have a buzzer and an LED here for motion indication. Now here we have a temperature and humidity sensor here, natural gas sensor here and smoke sensor also. And we have a buzzer and an LED for natural gas and smoke sensor. When smoke or natural gas will increase by a threshold value, then the corresponding buzzer and LED turn on in order to warn us about the danger situation so that we can quickly do some action in order to save not only us but also our home. Now here we have a smart pin here. Now we have a smart pin here which basically detects the level of a bin. We have here a LED here which indicates us the bin level. If the bin LED off means the bin is empty or half. And if this LED turns on or glow, this means our bin is full and we need to empty the bin. Alexa, turn on the kitchen light.
Okay, by the way, going forward I could give shorter replies. Would you prefer that?
Alexa, turn off the kitchen light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on the room light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off the room light. Alexa, turn on the bathroom light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off the bathroom light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on the door lock.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off the door lock.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on the water valve.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off the water valve.
Okay.